was a new experience with a new place, new environment. The special thing, we were doing this with one of the most important age group who really feel that they don't have anyone.
We Little Sisters of the Poor, this is the first time that we had a program like this, and we were really very happy, and it was really enjoyable as well as very experimental.
We used music, and really it was just not music. It was just a thing made them happy. Really, we said, don't worry, be happy. And we used music, and the full hall was filled with music. By that, really, they were very happy.
මේ තාත්තගේ පුතාලා දෙන්නගේ ප්‍රෝග්‍රෑම් එක බොහොම ලස්සනයි. අපිට කරපු එදා දවසේ. මින් ඉදිරියටත් මොන හරි කරයි කියලා බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවා. අපි සියලු වගේ දෙනාම වගේ සතුටු වුණා.
Program was so nice, wonderful. Also, it is very useful to everybody. Thank you very much.
They were not a normal group that what we were doing, like they were something different, and we can't tell them to do it in a normal way. Like we took astronomy to them to elevate their mental state, to feel something inside them, like how vast the universe is.
වැඩිහිටියක් ඒ වාගේ සතුටු කරුවෙක් ගැන අනිත් අතට පරණ දේවල් අපිට ඒ වැඩසටහනෙන් මතක් වුණා. ඒ වාගේ අපිට සතුටු වෙන්න අවස්ථාව ඇති වුණා.
Finally, what I think, our work was successfully done. It's really happy to see that, and thankful for everyone who really contributed to the program.
And you know, our old people was very, very happy, and they never knew that there was a thing like that. So I hope it will be a very good experience, and also we will ask them to come again in order that we may be able to enjoy. Thank you very much.